In this video, I'll show you how to join a community on Reddit using your PC or laptop. If you find this video helpful, consider subscribing, liking, and sharing the video. Reddit is a massive online forum made up of thousands of smaller communities known as subreddits dedicated to every interest imaginable. To join a community, simply open your browser, go to reddit.com, and sign into your account if you haven't already. Now click the search box at the top of the page and search for a topic or community you want to be a part of. Next, click on the Communities tab in the search results to display all the subreddits related to your search term. You can now scroll through the list and see which communities you'd like to join. I'll choose the Windows 11 subreddit. When you're on the subreddit's main page, just click the Join button on the right-hand side. And that's it. You are now a member of this community. Its posts will appear on your home feed, and you can now post, comment, and interact with other members.